being a compass for self-reflection, but then more than anything, like action and forward momentum moving forward, is actually a principle that Martha Beck teaches about body compass. It's like, how do we actually calibrate our bodies to make better decisions, quick and decisive decisions? Because our bodies hold on to drama and trauma, but it also holds on to joy and excitement and creativity. And many of us have never calibrated our bodies to make the best decisions moving forward. Human beings make between 40 to 50,000 decisions every single day. And that's an average human being. You're talking about being a creator, an innovator, an entrepreneur, someone who's leading. You're making 50 to 60,000 decisions. No wonder we're tired, right? And so when you start asking yourself big questions, you feel a lot of uneasiness in your body. And so taking yourself through a breathing exercise of recognizing how different emotions play in your body helps you reconcile that feeling of being uninterrupted, asking yourself a big question. But then moreover, once you ask that question, you got to be ready to do something with the answer. And that gap is usually where people feel really uncomfortable. Now that I realize what my uninterrupted life looks like, am I going to commit my daily habits, my daily actions, my daily inputs and outputs to actualizing that dream and that life? And so there's a bunch of yeses that you have to say along the way to actualize what an uninterrupted life looks like, and living in that, breathing in that, working in that, and playing in that every single day moving forward.